So we were getting a bite, and then I feel like I messed it up because I hooked too hard. But there's nibbles, for sure. Something must just take this, man. Like, I need this. Nah, I'm joking, I'm not that desperate, but it's nice to have a fish, you know. You come fishing, you expect a fish. You go home with nothing, and then, well, I guess that's why they call it fishing, not catching. But anyways, have a look at the view. That is massive, bro. The concept of flamboyancy absolutely befuddles me. But it's cool, it's so cool. But yeah, hopefully we get something. You can see my Oki there. Using some octopus. Let's see what happens though. We got some ducks in the water. Let's hope there's fish. I mean, they look like they're diving for bait, so definitely. I need to put a whole roll of line on this thing like nobody's business. It's actually crazy. I've used so much line in the past year. I've been sponsored so much tackle and so much braid by a good friend of mine. Yeah. I owe this guy a hell of a lot, bro. You don't understand. Nah, but he does it out of the goodness of his heart, you know. Guy's like my best friend. Anyways, enough emotional chit chat. Let's carry on fishing.